Hello, this is Bobby at Copel TV Repair, and this is a functionality proof video for power supply board for Samsung Odyssey G9 that was sent here for repair. It had a very weird problem. Today is April 8th, 2024, the day of the sun eclipse, and I'm about to send the board back. As you can see, it is working, and as you can also see, this monitor has been broken like many other test units here. We use semi-functional damage. It's just good enough to see that this board is doing what it's supposed to do. It is ready. It had a very weird failure, one that I cannot help but wonder if it was induced by humans or not. I would like to know the owner that is identified on this label. Please get back and let us know. It was weird. We will not charge anything extra. It will be the standard service fee. And in all fairness, we had less work than usual on this one, but the failure is unique. We did something to hopefully help prevent that same thing happening in the future, but it should not have never happened in the first place, unless someone was messing up with it. So let us know and don't mess up with it.